Hi, this is Nisha. Today I am going to speak about a very important topic related to English communication. How to make your communication effective, how to speak in English confidently. Let me give you my background first. I am coming from a corporate background. I have total 14 years of working experience in big MNCs wherein I am practicing this in my day to day life. Every day I am communicating with my peers, with my seniors, with my juniors, with my clients. So, by doing this practice every day, now I can say, yes, I have become a good communicator, I have a good command over the language, and now I can speak in English confidently without any hesitation. So, friends, since last couple of months, I came across with many people who are facing a big problem in English communication. And here I am going to share with you guys how you can make your communication effective, how you can improve your communication skills. So today is the day 1 and I'll discuss few tips and techniques with you guys. So tip number 1, just think about it. Whenever you are speaking in English language, what you do exactly? Everyone, I would say everyone who is not comfortable in English language, they first think in the language like maybe Hindi, Bengali, or whatever their mother language is. First they think in that language and then they convert it, they translate it into English language, and then they deliver it. So there is a time gap. They are doing a filtration here, and that's why they are not able to speak fluently. That is the major reason, I would say, the people are not able to speak in English fluently. So how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem very easily just by doing a practice, everyday practice, without any hesitation. I will tell you all those things. Before that, let me give you an example. You must have seen the kids, how they are growing up. A kid, when he or she is 1 year old, there are few kids only, they can speak few words, like they start speaking words. And how they learn all those things? They learn all those things from their environment, from their surroundings. So we can also learn the same way. They are going to copy their mom and dad, their siblings. And this is how we learn from each other. We observe them, we copy them, we mimic them. This is a very key fundamental secret to learn anything in your life and for English language as well. When a kid is going to the school first time, they already know how to speak in their mother language. How come it is possible? They had not gone to the school yet. They are going to the school first time. They learned it from their environment. They learned it from their surroundings, and this is how their upbringing is done. If you have to learn anything in your life, not only English communication, whatever you want to learn, you have to become a kid, you have to behave like a kid. Then nothing will be impossible, nothing will be difficult or tough for you. You can learn anything or everything in your life. That is the very important thing. To start with, I would say you can start with the books, kids' books especially, because you'll find those books easy to read, and there are many stories in those books. You can go through all those stories. You can listen to the audio. You can see the videos on YouTube. Try to observe them, try to copy them, mimic them, And all those words which you are not aware of, take a diary, jot down all the words, use those words, implement those words in your daily life, and you will see the difference. For today, I'm going to end with this, and we'll meet soon. In the next week, I will come up with few more tips and tricks. Thank you very much.